internal PC communication failing because of the Wbemupgd Library DLL. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. Follow me for a safe, engineered fix. Access the official Wbemupgd Library diagnostic resource now for a faster system configuration. This is the Wbemupgd library, the WMI Upgrade library. It manages the unmanaged migration of the Windows Management Instrumentation (WMI) repository during OS updates. It facilitates the orchestration of system management manifests to ensure administrative data links remain intact after a version shift. Since we've covered what this file is, let's move to the primary fix. This error typically involves a protected Windows system file. Open Command Prompt with administrator privileges and run sfc/scan now to verify system integrity and restore damaged files like Wbemupgd Library DLL. If that initial setup didn't clear the pop-up, let's examine the specific initialization sequence assigned to your applications directory. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with Wbemupgd library. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. Restarting doesn't always catch everything. If you're still having trouble, let's try this next step together. And if you need to pause the video, I'm not going anywhere. Rebooting didn't reconnect the runtime links, so let's go into the control panel and refresh the library files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. For a clean and stable recovery, it's important to stay within verified developer ecosystems. From a diagnostic standpoint, a missing Wbemupgd Library DLL error is often just a symptom of a larger system conflict that a simple manual download is incapable of fully resolving. To ensure your system remains within verified parameters, you might choose to use an authorized maintenance path for ongoing support. If you're managing system alerts or background maintenance tasks, the resource below offers general guidance related to Wbemupgd library. Thank you for watching. To continue receiving professional-grade solutions for Wbemupgd library and other PC errors, please subscribe to our support community.